Hi. In this material, I'm gonna show you how to configure WooCommerce Canada Post shipping method with live cost calculations, using the free WooCommerce plugin. Before configuration, it is worth explaining how WooCommerce Live Rates plugins work. Everything happens in 3 simple steps. First, API request. The plugin creates an API request based on the weight of the customer's cart, shipping location and plugin settings. Then sends it to the courier company servers. Second, API response. Courier company API sends a file called API response with all the available services and rates. Last step is the plugin interpretation. Live Rates plugin interprets the data from the API response and display available shipping methods with live calculated shipping rates. Everything happens in the blink of an eye, so the store's customers get automatically calculated rates. A great example of this type of solution is the Shipping Live Rates for Canada Post plugin. It's the best free plugin to display automatically calculated Canada Post shipping cost for each order. You can download it from the official WordPress repository using the link in the description. Let me walk you through the configuration of the plugin. First, install and activate plugin in your store. You can reach the plugin settings by choosing the WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping, Canada Post Live Rates from the sidebar or clicking the settings link on the plugins list. The first thing to set up is the API connection. To offer your customers the available Canada Post shipping services, you need to own a Canada Post account and your credentials, acquired during the registration process. Its username, password, and customer number. Once you enter the login credentials, click on Save Changes button. The API connection status should change to OK and turn green. If for some reason, the plugin is not able to establish the connection with the Canada Post API, you will see the error message coming from the API with the detailed information on the cause of the problem. If you have successfully connected to the Canada Post API, you can proceed to the next step, which is to add and configure the Canada Post shipping method. Adding the Canada Post Live Rates shipping method uses the same mechanism as the WooCommerce default shipping methods. To create a new Canada Post Live Rates shipping method, just go to WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping, click the shipping zone name you want to add the Canada Post Live Rates method within. In most cases, it will be a zone containing Canada in it. Once you are in your shipping zone, click on the Add Shipping Method button. Choose the Canada Post Live Rates from the drop-down list and confirm with Add Shipping Method button once again. As you can see, you have your Canada Post Live Rates shipping method now. Let's configure it. You can set the method title that will be displayed in the checkout page for your customers. The plugin also allows enabling the fallback. It's basically the flat rate cost for shipping if the Canada Post API, for some reason, returns no matching rates. Another, very useful option is the free shipping over the amount. To enable it, just tick the Enable the free shipping over amount checkbox and enter the free shipping threshold. One of the crucial shipping method settings is the option to select available Canada Post services. By default, all the services are available, but when you want to limit them, just check the Services checkbox, and choose services that you want to offer. Last available shipping options are quote type and insurance. You can choose between commercial or counter rates, depending on your contract with the carrier. The insurance will be included only for services which it is available for. If you are all done with the configuration, click on Save Changes button. Now, the shipping method should be available for all the customers matching that shipping zone. Let's check it. As you can see, I have sunglasses in my cart, and for the Canada address, the plugin displays 4 available shipping methods. They all are automatically calculated, and it works like a charm. I hope you found that material useful, and remember, that you can find the link to this free plugin in the description below.